Hari Om Sri Matre Namaha. Blessings to you all on the first day of Sharad Navaratri. And this is a very auspicious day for all of us as the worshippers of Lalita Ma. So we are now going to do a 9 days worship on Navadurgas. So as I mentioned in my introductory video, the names of Navadurga as mentioned by Brahma, we are going to discuss each day and worship each Navadurga. Now, the first day, we are going to worship Ma Shailaputri. As the name indicates, Shailaputri is, Shaila means the mountains, the peaks, and the Putri is the daughter of the peaks. You know, physically speaking, she is the daughter of Himavan, Parvataraja, Parvati. That is the daughter of Himalayas. And also the Parvata, that is our Merudhandam, our body. So she is the ruler, the daughter of the great Mahameru, which is our body. And she is Sumeru Madhya Sringastha. Okay. Coming to Shailaputri, the Parvati Devi. Let's see what the epics have to tell about her birth. Just a gist of what it is. So all of us know the story of Sati Devi. Sati Devi was born to Daksha Prajapati, and how the Daksha Prajapati had a goat's face afterwards. So before Daksha Prajapati was a king, and Sati Devi was his daughter. And he gave her in marriage to Lord Shiva reluctantly. He was not happy to get her married to Lord Shiva because Shiva was he was like a thing that is a renunciate, and he was smeared with bhasma, and he was having the snakes and everything all over him. So Daksha was not happy to give his loving daughter to Lord Shiva. But Devi's pratana was that she should marry Lord Shiva. So he gave Sati Devi in marriage to Lord Shiva, and they were living, and they had no connection with Daksha Prajapati, Daksha. So Daksha conducted a yagam, and for the yagam, he did not invite Sati Devi and Shiva, but Sati Devi wanted to go there. So she persuaded her husband to come along with her for the yagam. So the Daksha Prajapati had invited all the devas and sages and munis and everyone, but he neglected Lord Shiva. See, these things we have to take certain things inside us. See, even we in our life, we take in all the other things and we neglect the spiritual path. That's the lesson we'll have to take from here. Okay. Now, Sati Devi, having convinced her husband to come along with her, both of them go to attend the yagnam, where, as usual, like the Daksha Maharaj, he did not honor Lord Shiva. So Sati Devi gets fierce and she jumps into the Yaga Kunda. So self-immolation. So she jumps into it. And as you know, Lord Shiva took out the body of the Sati Devi and he was spinning around, and the 51 parts fell, the Aksharas, all the 51 parts which we call as the Shakti Peeth and all those things. So the Sati Devi, and it is very interesting to note that Shiva, after he lost his loving wife, that is the left part of Shiva was not there. Only the right part was there. That is Dakshina Baham. And he goes into a deep penance and performs austerities. And he does a lot of tapas. And attains the jnanam, and that's why we call him as Dakshina Murti Swarupam. So he goes into a deep meditation, right? Now let's go to the story at the part of the Devas. There was an Ashura called as Tarakasura. Okay, so what happens? The Tarakasura gets a boon from Lord Shiva that he can be killed only by the son of Lord Shiva. And he was aware that Shiva is not married, he doesn't have his wife, and he's not going to have a son. So he was so confident that he's going to live forever. But the Devas, to kill Tarakasura, wanted Shiva to have a wife and child. And that's why Parvati Devi was born to the Mount Raja, that is the king of the mountains, Parvata Raja, Himavan. And that's why she's known as Himavati. Okay, so the Parvati, the daughter of mountains. And the daughter of mountains, before she was wedded to Lord Shiva, is known as Shailaputri. Shailam, mountain, Putri, daughter. So she is the Shailaputri Rupam. So that is the first day of Navaratri. We worship the form of Parvati Devi in the form of Shailaputri. Okay, so now we are going to see what Shailaputri has to offer to us. Shailaputri is connected with our Mooladhara chakra. Now you all can connect, Chidagnikunda Sambhuta Deva Karya Samudyata. See, you have two things. That is one side, we have the Puranic history, and the other side is how it's converted to us. So here the Shailaputri rises up from the Chidagni Kundam. That is your Mooladhara and the Kula Chakra. Okay, so Shailaputri Devi also rules of the Navagrahas. She rules the moon. So she is ruling the moon. So Shailaputri rules the moon, and also she is connected with the Mooladhara Chakra. So the worship of Shailaputri will offer you all the worldly benefits. It will give you the prosperity related to the earth, hills, mountains, rivers, everything is connected with the energy of Shailaputri Devi, that is Parvati Devi, in the unmarried form. Is the first Devi, Durga Devi, we worship on the night, first day of the Navaratri. Okay, now let us start the worship of Shailaputri, and let's start by the invocation to Mahaganapati and the Guru. Om Ghananahantva Ganapati Gum Havamahe Kavin Kavinamupamashravastamam Jeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspata Anashrunvannuti Bissoida Sadanam Om Sri Mahaganapataye Namaha सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Let's start our worship with a dhyanam on Shailaputri Devi, invoking the energy of Ma Shailaputri in a body, mind, and soul. Close your eyes. Sit straight. Be relaxed. Inhale and exhale. Watch your breathing. Visualize the beautiful snow-covered mountains, beautiful Himalayas, Visualize Ma Ganga, the bluish cloud all around. Feel the chill breeze, the golden rays of the sun. Visualize Mount Kailash, the golden face. Visualize Ma Shailaputri, beautiful like a fresh flower, young girl, full of youth, bubbling. See the radiance on her face. She is clad in white sari. Three eyes, riding on a bull. Rishabha Vahana, holding in her hand Trishula, symbolism of the ultimate universal consciousness, Bhuloka, Bhuvaloka, and Suvaloka. The three states of mind, Jagrat, Swapna, Sushuptyavastha, all are one, the Parabrahma. And in her other hand, she's holding a lotus, symbolizing purity, blooming into the divine. Meditate on Ma Shailaputri. Feel her energy flowing to you. Merge with her. Become one with her. Ma Shailaputri rules your Muladhara chakra. Infuse her energy at your Muladhara chakra. Let the energy of Ma Shailaputri awaken the Kundalini, sleeping dormant at your Muladhara chakra. Guide you into the higher realms of spirituality. Meditate the image of Ma Shailaputri at your Muladhara chakra. Shailaputri Devi rules the moon of Navagrahas. Visualize Shailaputri in the moon. Fill yourself with the energy of the moon. Let it sharpen your intellect, guide you, and protect you. May the energy of Shailaputri Devi fill your body, mind, and soul. Om Devi Shailaputrei Namaha. Om Devi शैलपुत्र्यै नमः। ॐ देवी शैलपुत्र्यै नमः. Feel the powers of Devi Shailaputri. Let her kindle your Kundalini. Move yourself to attain the ultimate Lord Shiva. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Gently rub your hands. Place it on your eyes and gently open your eyes. Now let's start our worship. Being filled with the energy of Ma Shailaputri, let us offer flowers to Shailaputri and offer our pujas. So let's repeat this mantra 9 times. Om Devi Shailaputrei Namaha. 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 Pratana. Vande Vanchitalabhaya Chandraarghakritashekaram Vrisharudham Shuladharam Shailaputrim Yashasvinim. Let's offer our namaskara to her with flowers in the hand. Offer the namaskara. या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मा शैलपुत्री रूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः. या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मा शैलपुत्री रूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः. या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मा शैलपुत्री रूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः. शैलपुत्री स्तोत्रम. प्रथम दुर्गा त्वं हि भवसागरः तारिणी धन ऐश्वर्यदायिनी शैलपुत्री प्रणम्यहम्. परमानंद प्रदीयमान सौभाग्यारोग्यदायिनी शैलपुत्री प्रणम्यहम्. चराचरेश्वरी त्वं हि महामोहविनाशिनी मुक्तिभुक्तिदायिनी शैलपुत्री प्रणम्यहम्. Shailaputri Kavacham. So we are going to recite it for the protection. Omkaraha me shirah patu मूलाधारनिवासिनी ह्रीङ्कारः पातु ललाटे बीजरूपा महेश्वरी श्रीङ्कार पातु वदने लावण्या महेश्वरी हूङ्कार पातु हृदयं तारिणी शक्तिस्वघृता फट्कार पातु सर्वाङ्गे सर्वसिद्धिफलप्रदा. So let Omkara protect my head. Let Hrinkara protect my forehead. And let Srinkara protect my face. And Homkara protect my Hridayam. And Patkara protect my whole body. Let the blessings of Ma Shailaputri Devi be with all of us always. Let's travel this beautiful journey with holding the hands of Ma Lalita Ma. Let us all be showered with all the blessings of Lalita. Now you can offer your Pancha Puja like Chandan, Kungum, Dhupa, Deepam, Naivedyam, and any stotra or Lalita Sahasranama, whatever you want to offer, you can offer and continue your pratana and complete your puja. Sri Matre Namaha. Be blessed, all of you.